moving on to the next slide, what I have done is, based on the past few months of survey and study, I have classified the trends into 3 different categories: customer experience, mobility, and cloud. In the customer experience space, what we see is customer experience management has been one of the key focuses for all clients, and they have sensed the importance of exceptional web experience or superior web experience by delivering rich UI-based multi-channel websites. Mostly the industry segments that we have seen are banking, insurance, telecom, but not limited to these industry segments only. And it goes around geos like Middle East, US, Europe, and in some part of Asia Pacific as well. Secondly, what I have observed is integrated workplace solutions are in high demand because people want everything under a single roof. Maybe it's an intranet user, extranet users, or internet users. They don't appreciate toggling between multiple windows very frequently. So everything brought to one place gives them a rich workplace environment. Third observation is the demand for smart devices are increasing, which means customers have been asking for applications that can be easily accessible on the move, that is anywhere, anytime. In fact, in last year, what we have seen is customers started demanding have their mobile version of their application development to be implemented before the desktop version. Okay, but at the same time, they wanted both the versions. That is where the multi-channel concept comes into play. But the inclination was more towards the mobile. Also, I have found that some of the industry segments like high-tech and retail sectors were exploring the option of cloud-based offerings, which means in order to minimize their IT costs and productivity gain, they were trying to understand how applications and offerings can be implemented on cloud and what is the feasibility, what challenges, how easy it is to implement. But I have also seen that there has been a bit of apprehension on deciding to move to the cloud environment because of data security and maybe passing on the ownership. But I believe this will also go off as customers gets more matured and knowledgeable about the cloud benefits. Even I have seen clients are spending and investing a lot in terms of time and money on POCs and pilot implementations to mitigate risks so that they arrive at the right decisions in order to validate their decisions. And gradually, I have seen social collaboration concept is picking up in the enterprise segment as well. As we have already seen, this trend already picked up at a personal level, like people have been using Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest. But now this is moving into or picking up in the enterprise segment as well. So these are some of the critical observations that I have made based on the past few months market study. And moving forward, I thought let me share my thought in terms of how a social business as a concept, if that can be implemented on cloud environment and which can be easily and seamlessly accessible on mobile. So that's where my topic today is business on cloud. Moving on to the next slide.